students. Welcome back to Kid Smart Superhero Academy. I'm Mr. Glazebrook. I hope you've been taking care of yourselves and your families. Today, in episode 2, we're going to cover poses and powers of different heroes. The first exercise we're going to do today is we're going to use our TABLEAU skills to create superhero poses. The first hero we're going to look at is Captain Marvel. Because Captain Marvel can fly, you can notice she carries a lot of power in her hands and legs. Get ready for your Captain Marvel tableau. 3, 2, 1, tableau! Next, we're going to take a look at Black Panther. Take a close look at Black Panther. Notice how he stands, and also notice what's on the end of his fingers. Ready? 3, 2, 1, tableau! Finally, let's take a look at Spider-Man. Spider-Man can jump and swing using his webs. Imagine what that must be like. Ready? 3, 2, 1, tableau! Alright, students, now it's your turn. When I count down from 3, 3, 2, 1, it's your turn to create your own superhero tableau. Ready? 3, 2, 1, tableau! All right, heroes. The next thing we need to do is create our powers. For that, we're going to use the skill of pantomime. For our first power, let's imagine that you have the ability to make huge fireballs when you breathe out. So, do this with me. Here we go. Next up, let's imagine we can create water with our bare hands. Everybody, 3, 2, 1. Finally, let's imagine you can use the power of the wind. Everybody with me? 3, 2, 1. All right, heroes, nice work today. Before we do our final exercise, here's one more important thing that heroes need to do. If you're at home, wherever you are, make sure you thank somebody who takes care of you, because they're heroes too. Now, it's time for us to create your power. Decide what your hero's power is. Think about it. Think about it. And now, when I count down from 3, create a pantomime of your very own superpower. Ready? 3, 2, 1.